do Kaya Gang, and today we're back with another video. Yes, sir. So, as you can see, we're in Imvu, and yeah, I'm about to show y'all something. But first, last time y'all saw her, you only saw her in this. Since then, she got 2 more outfits. Yeah. So we're gonna go from here, featured, woman, and then looks. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get this look. Y'all see the face and stuff? Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to get that, because multiple people don't know. If you do know, lit. If you don't, we gonna get into it. Period. Okay, but just like 1 second to admire how cute she is. Like, she deserves a slow-mo. Just like, yeah, get into it. Okay. Alright. Same process we did last time. We're gonna go woman, clothing, tops, and we're gonna pick an outfit. I made one before. That's why I decided to make this, because I just recently found out how to do it. So we're gonna go for tie-dye black, and then we're gonna go to bottoms and get the matching shorts or skirt, however you wanna, whatever you wanna call it. And then we're gonna go shoes and get these once I find them. Last time I typed in gray. Alright, second one, UGG slides. I'm gonna go ahead and take out gray. Alright, so we're done with clothing, so we're gonna go to body now and get the hair. For me, I feel like everyone would agree, but if you don't, that's fine. But to me, the jewel black or this styles like that are better for that face. Then we'll go to eyes. I don't know. We can get her the granite. I don't know if that's cute or not. We're gonna find out. Then we're gonna go to eyebrows. Okay, so this one right here. No eyebrows X. This is the one you need to have. I know it sounds crazy, but just trust me. So click it. Now we're gonna go to head. It's called a bay head. We're just gonna type it in instead of looking for it. Come on. Hurry up. Alright. It's the first head. Get that one. Okay. Now go to skins and makeup. This is the skin you need. Or it really doesn't matter. I'm just gonna show you really the face, but we just gonna do the one that we saw. It's called Peachy with the peach emoji. Alright, now we go to accessories. This is where we get the eyebrows. I'm gonna look up eyebrow. Yeah. Now clear history. Okay. Then you just access her up, and I'll be back when we get done with that. Y'all, one quick thing I forgot to say is to like get the whole effect, I believe you should get the perfect body, and we're gonna go ahead and get that right now. They have multiple perfect bodies, but I suggest this one. It says perfect body with the peach emoji and the hard eyes emoji. Emoji. Yeah, that's the one you need to get. Okay, now get done. I'll get back to you now when I got an accessorizer. So yeah, and we are back. Alright, so last thing we need here is the pose. It's Barbie. Now we gonna see how it turned out. And as you can see, we have the King Von background due to his death. R.I.P. to King Von. If y'all don't know, he is a rapper and he got shot and killed. So yeah, you see her, period. Yep, that's how you get it, really. The really main purpose of how to get it is you click the face, you get no eyebrows X, and then you go to accessories and then pick the eyebrows. Because if you pick the eyebrows in the eyebrow section, it's not going to let you. It's just going to end up stupid looking. But yeah, y'all see her. It says daddy's girl, period. Yeah. And those are the cute shoes. Yeah. Y'all got a hand scale. I thought it was going to make her hand smaller. I just made it bigger. I got it 70%. I'm just slow like that. But yeah. But let's just take a moment and look at the King Von. Just look at him. Just admire. Yeah. We'll get this one more because she looks so good. So just like, we're gonna make it even slow. Oh, y'all see the puppy. Just make it slow. Just chill a beat. Ow. But yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you didn't already or new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Click the post notification so you know whenever I drop another banger. Yeah. Period. But yeah. As y'all can see, I gotta go charge on my phone. Literally. But yeah, like I said, click post notification so you know whenever I drop another banger. Like and subscribe. Comment any suggestions or what y'all want me to do next. And thank y'all so much. See y'all later.